Hi guys, it's Marianne the Frugal Chef. I hope you're doing super well. Welcome to Cocktail Week. Today we're gonna start with this delicious, super refreshing Piña Colada. Reminds me of the beach always. Weather's gonna start turning and we're gonna start getting thirsty for these delish things. Please enjoy all of these the whole week responsibly, guys. Before we do anything, if you would sub, I'd really appreciate that. Turn on the notification button so you don't miss out on anything. Let's do this. To start off, I'm gonna use cream of coconut. I happen to have Coco Lopez. This is sweetened, guys, so it's not the cream of coconut that you find at the supermarket with no sugar in it. This is different, so make sure you get the one you need, okay? I'm also gonna use some Goya pineapple juice. You can use any pineapple juice you want. I went ahead and diced up some pineapple and I put it in the freezer and froze it. And I'm gonna use it in our cocktail, but if you want to just buy frozen pineapple, that's fine too. So in here, I have about a cup of ice. You know, cream of coconut or coconut milk always gets congealed on top. You get a hard layer. Just mix it, okay? I'm going to add about a half a cup of my pineapple chunks in here. 2 ounces of that pineapple juice. 2 ounces of that coconut cream. So we're gonna use white and gold rum for this recipe, okay? As you can see, I'm using Bacardi. By the way, nobody's paying me for this, so this isn't a sponsored video for Bacardi. I'm gonna add 1.5 ounces of the white. And 1 ounce of the dark. I'm just gonna go blend this and come back. I'm going to garnish this with a little piece of pineapple and a cherry, as you can see, and we have a beautiful Piña Colada. Salud, my friends. Ah, yes. Delicious, super smooth, wonderful. Don't let the sweetness fool you. It does have a lot of alcohol, so tread lightly, guys. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you tomorrow with our caipirinhas.